Mist swirls low across the jungle floor. Sunlight cuts through in golden beams. Bruce Lee stands shirtless, arms folded, eyes locked on a narrow tunnel of trees ahead. He senses it, a new test. He steps forward. 020. The forest ignites. Suddenly, whoosh. Flames burst along the trees, lining his path like torches. A fire gauntlet has awakened. The jungle is alive and burning. Bruce doesn't hesitate. He sprints. 035. Traps in flames. Flaming branches fall from above. Bruce slides beneath one, rolls and springs to his feet. A burning log swings from vines. He ducks, lets it pass, then leaps over a pit of fire below. 055. He grabs a hanging vine, swings across a fiery trench, lands on a boulder that's slowly catching fire. He jumps before it collapses. The jungle is closing in. 110. The fire maze. Bruce enters a clearing. Walls of fire form a moving maze. He studies the flames, tracks their rhythm, then darts inside. He weaves through like a dance, precise, fast, fearless. One wrong step, and he's ash. 130. His shirt catches a spark. He rips it off mid-run and keeps going. Sweat pours. Smoke stings his eyes. He's being tested. But he won't stop. 145. The flame spiral. Bruce reaches a stone platform. Surrounded by fire, it begins to rotate. Above him, a fire wheel spins, massive flaming arms circling from the ceiling. He times it, spins with the platform, leaps between burning arms like lightning. Flames graze his skin, but he moves with deadly grace. 210. The core chamber. He lands in a large stone chamber. The fire fades to silence. Then, the ground glows red. A magma beast rises from a pit, formed from molten rock and lava veins, pulsing heat. Bruce faces it alone. Calm. Ready. 230. Final battle. The lava beast swings. Bruce dodges left. The beast smashes a stone pillar. Bruce strikes fast. His fists blur, landing sharp blows on its arm joints. The beast hurls molten fragments. Bruce flips over them, lands on its back, and strikes the lava core with a spinning heel kick. 255. The core cracks, but not enough. Bruce sprints to the wall, runs up it, flips midair, and comes down with a dual heel kick. Crack. The beast shatters, lava raining in all directions, then freezing midair. Silence. 320. Accepted by fire. The jungle dims. Flames extinguish. Smoke rises in peaceful spirals. Bruce kneels. Breathes deeply. The ground pulses beneath him. Not violently, but with rhythm. The fire respects him now. 340. Bruce stands, his body marked with soot and scorch, but spirit untouched. He walks through a stone arch now cooled and silent, emerging into golden morning light. 358. Final frame. Bruce disappears into the trees.